Hallsdale Power Utility District, and today I want to talk to you about your water meter. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to read your water meter, how your meter can help you determine if you have a leak, and how your billing statement is calculated. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. First thing you will have to do is find your water meter. Most water meters are located near the road at the corner of your property. To access your meter lid, you may want to use a tool such as a screwdriver to help you get the lid open. Once you have the lid open, be careful where you stick your hands. There may be some critters or spiders living inside your box. Once inside the box, you'll see your water meter with a series of numbers. The first number you will see is on top of the cap. That's your meter serial number. This number helps identify your meter. Once we flip that lid back, then we will have access to the digital display. This digital display gives gallons on the bottom. In the top left corner is the flow finder, showing gallons per minute flowing through the meter at that time. Later in this video, we will talk more about how you can use the flow finder to detect an issue, and we will talk more about how to read your meter.
The meter you see here is an automated meter that reads water usage in gallons recorded here on the digital display. Most meters are read by a series of antennas, towers, and repeaters that collect transmissions of the meter readings. The top left box shows the flow rate, which is measured in gallons per minute. The middle box shows which direction water is flowing. This is called the flow indicator. The last box is the message box. If water runs through the meter continuously for a 24-hour period, a water droplet symbol will appear in this box. If you think you have an issue, shut off all water-using devices in your home and then check this display. If you still see the arrow in the top center of your meter, you could have an issue. Last, it is important that you understand your billing statement and how your water usage is calculated. Water usage is recorded in hundreds of gallons. In this example, the present reading is 15,683.2 gallons, which is 156 on the bill, representing 15,600 gallons. So, when the 6 turns over to the next digit, that would be 1 unit on your billing statement, representing 100 gallons. Keep in mind, this is not the usage for a month. Here is an example of a billing statement. The first column is the description of service. The second column is the meter number that we talked about in the beginning of this video, which was the meter serial number located on the meter cap, as well as the face of the meter. The next column is the date that your meter was read on, followed by the present reading. The present reading minus the previous reading equals the amount of water used during a billing cycle.
We hope this video has been helpful. For more tips and information, visit us at www.hpud.org and follow us on Facebook and Twitter at HPUD-NOPS. Or you can give us a call at 865-922-7547, and one of our customer service team members will be happy to assist you.